It's Luisito here for Luisito Languages Lenguajes. Um, Here I am in the Hiragana chart, and this is the problem that most people face when they're learning a language. That especially here for the pronunciation is not 100% accurate, even in the linguistic charts. I hate it that they don't really write it like they're supposed to pronounce it. That's in my opinion. You know, let's look at some of the words and see what the pronunciation is. Okay, look at this. The ka, k.
가,
Okay, for English learners,
가,
that's a K and an A. So technically, the pronunciation will be K. For ka, maybe you will have to change the vowel. Since I don't know if in English in the vowel system it really doesn't have an ah sound. It has more of an A, so they don't really follow the rules as a it's frustrating. As a linguist, they don't really follow the rules. Maybe put an H at the end so you know it's ka instead of. If you just look at it, you pronounce it K, right?
가,
But it's ka.
기,
Okay.
그, 개, 코,
Okay.
가, 기,
Again, this will be probably you need to put an H on the ga because otherwise, like I say, that's an A. When you do the vowels A, E, I, O, U.
가,
So that would technically be pronounced like gay, Not trying to be funny here, but it's the pronunciation thing. So you would need to put something maybe in that market with an accent or something. I hate accents, but sometimes you have to pronounce them. So you maybe put an H like they do in Portuguese. So the, let you know there's a pronunciation there. A different variation of pronunciation there. Okay, let's go to the next one.
그, 개,
Okay, again, it's pronouncing it like Spanish, or maybe it's sticking to the Latin pronunciation. I guess maybe they're basing it on the Roman or Latin languages because they're not basing it off the English A-E-I-O-U system of pronunciation.
개, 고, 사, 시, 수, 세, 소, 자,
Okay, here goes again. That one is a huge one right there. It says da, but it's pronounced with C-A. Like I said, that would be an A. It would be say. You would technically pronounce it say,
자,
and they pronounce it da with a D. So why do they put a C instead of a D? And like I said, you would have to put like an accent or an H in the back. I'm guessing this is based as the linguistic charge, but like I said, I don't really agree with the linguistic charge because I think they should let you know that you're basing it off the Roman Latin languages um, for the pronunciation and not in English.
지,
Again, that would be that's an I, so we be and the J that would be jai.
지,
That sounds more like a Y, G, and an E.
지, 즈,
Let's listen to that.
즈,
Not even close. Sounds like a J and E W. Let's see the next.
제,
Uh,
제, 제,
that's not even close.
쪼, 쪼, 다, 지,
This one is I hate when I encounter a T. Why do you put a T in there? And then those are unpronounceable letters. I don't know why you do that.
쯔,
That
쯔,
sounds like the word chew, CHEW,
쯔,
instead of TSU. Technically, when you write it like this, your pronunciation will be tsu, tsu, tsu.
쯔,
That's chew.
쯔, 대,
And then I wonder why people can't pronounce things correctly because their spelling is way off.
と、だ、
There will be missing an H too.
じ、じ、
This one,
じ、じ、
this one, and this one are the sound.
じ、じ、じ、
There's no distinction. I don't know how would you tell to know which one you're writing instead of the other one.
ず、ず、ず、ず、
Again, two words that sound similar. How would you distinguish?
ず、ず、で、ど、は、
That would be a hey because that's an A. So ha, you will have to mark it with an accent, like I said, or maybe an H at the end.
は、ひ、ふ、
That was totally wrong in the spelling.
ふ、
That's why people mispronounce it all the time because they read F-U. I'm not trying to be funny, okay? And that would be fu. There's a U, F-U. I'm not trying to be funny.
ふ、
Yeah, it sounds like an H and a U. Like,
ふ、
maybe like a W, like a who in English who.
ふ、へ、ほ、
Um,
へ、ほ、
okay, it sounds like the Naughty by Nature song.
ば、び、ぶ、べ、ぼ、ぱ、ぴ、ぷ、
Okay, that sounds like the word poo,
ぷ、
not pew, because that's a U.
ぷ、ぺ、ぺ、
Again, that's an E, so it would be pie. According to this, the way it's written would be pie, unless you're pronouncing it in Spanish or Latin language, is pe, sería pe, pe.
ぺ、ぽ、ぽ、ぷ、ぽ。
Okay, so there's a difference right there between this word. Yes. Well, anyways, let me know what you guys think. So, hope you enjoyed this video and this lesson.